Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. Today is another day to teach you guys 5 new vocabulary words. And those vocabulary words are, well, brother, sister, mother, father, little brother. Yeah. So those words are family words. Yes, and Teacher Shane get to teach you those words. Before we get started, I would like to ask you guys a question. Do you have a brother or sister? You can let me know in the comment box down below. Yes. Teacher Shane has 3 sisters. Yes, I'm the only boy in the family. Yeah. So I have 3 sisters, no brothers. So, guys, are you ready to say the word, spell the word, say the word, spell the word? All right, here we go. The first word is brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Great. The next word is sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Amazing. All right. The next word is little brother. It's a big one, but you guys can do it. Here we go. Little brother. L-I-T-T-L-E B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Little brother. L-I-T-T-L-E B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Little brother. Amazing. All right. The next word is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Very good. All right. The final word is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. All right, guys, great job. We just spelled our 5 new vocabulary words. Family words. Yeah. Amazing. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I will see you guys again next time, okay? All right, bye-bye.